Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to convert JPEG to JPG in iPhone in the simplest way possible. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and type JPEG to JPG converter into the search bar. This will help you find websites that can convert your images quickly. From the search results, pick any converter website you like. Tap on it to open the page. It should load in a few seconds. Once the website is open, tap on the Choose Files button. You'll then see options like Choose Files or Photo Library. Select the one where your photo is saved. Now, choose the photo from your device that you want to convert. After selecting it, tap on Add to upload the image to the website. Make sure the output format is set to JPG. Then, tap on the Convert button to start the process. It may take a few seconds, so just wait patiently. Once the image is converted, tap on Download to save the new JPG file to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.